Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Stay at home. We all are trying to reach at you with our subject. Okay, so today we'll start our chemistry session. So first chapter I have given already in your group, that is matter in our surrounding. Matter in our surrounding. Listen carefully. Take out a rough copy, start writing the key points at least so that you can easily remember these things while you are reading. It can be revised easily. Okay, so matter in our surrounding. So what is matter? What is matter? So matter is that anything has some space, anything occupies some space, anything that has some mass or volume, that is known as matter. Anything, right? Anything that occupies some space and has some mass or volume is matter. For example, pen. This is a matter. Board is again a matter. Anything, this clamp, mobile, goggles, all are matter, which satisfies this rule, are matter. So now you can say easily which is matter or not. Okay. Water is a matter or not? Board, air, dance, art, cycle, oxygen, bucket. So now you can easily pause this video and identify which is matter and which is not a matter. Okay, so let me tell you, water is a matter. Yes, it has some volume, it occupies some space. Board, obviously yes. Air, yes, because it occupies the atmosphere, it occupies some area at least. Dance is not a matter. Dance is an art. Dance is the work which will be performed by a person. So it's a art, not a matter. Again, art is again not a matter. Cycle is a matter. Oxygen, yes, obviously it is a matter. It occupies some volume or space. Bucket, yes, it is again a matter. So for you, sky, what is sky? Sky is matter or not? Yes or no? Comment me. This is, if it is yes, how? If it is no, why? Okay, I know it's a matter. Okay, because there is no specific thing that is sky. It's the universe, but it contains a lot of things. That's why sky is matter. Okay, so this is the matter. And initially, before the scientific world, the philosophers were told that this whole universe is made up of 5 basic things or 5 basic elements, that is known as Panch Tattva. That is known as Panch Tattva. What is that Panch Tattva? Air, earth, fire, water, and sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panch Tattva. What they told, the philosophers were telling that the whole world is made up of these 5 basic things, But later on, when the research and scientific team entered to this universe, they are telling the matter is different types. How they classified it? Depending on their physical and chemical nature. Whose matter? Whose physical and chemical natures? Any particle, any substance. If I will tell this pen, can you say this is matter? Yes. Depending upon these two type of matter, depending upon the two type of nature, they segregated these things is a matter. Okay. So let me clean this thing. Okay. So next, proceeding towards the physical nature of matter, put the heading physical nature of matter. So matter behaves as a particle. It is type of particles. Matter behaves as a particles. Matters are nothing but particles. How? From the activity we can know that if you are taking, you can do it at your home also. You are taking water in a glass. You need to take this and you need to put sugar in it. So this is sugar spoon and this is water, and while adding this sugar and you will stir it, after that you will get to know that sugar will be disappeared or dissolved in this water. So it's not magic, it's the physical nature of that matter. Okay, so sugars get inside this molecule, the molecule of water, and disappeared. So this is the particle nature of matter. Okay. Next, how small it is. You know how small a particle can be, a matter can be. You are using ujala at your home during washing clothes, and you are dyeing. If you have white clothes, for dyeing blue color, they are adding some ujala color, and in a bucket of water they are adding just 1 to 2 drop of ujala, and this becomes blue. The water becomes blue. That means the small amount of color can make, small amount of blue color can make the whole bucket into blue color. And if you will take half bucket, you can throw, if you throw the half bucket of blue color, and if you add fresh water again half bucket, the color will remain same, or the intense of color will be slightly less, but the blue color will be there. It is not same as like the previous fresh water color. Okay, from these type of activities you can easily know that the particles are, matter particles are very small. That means of 100 times of 10 types of dilutions, it has some nature that the color will remain same. Okay, so what are the characteristics of matter? So basically we know that these are very small, these are particle in nature. So these matters can be traveled from one place to other place by the air medium. So it can transfer. You all are using dew, and at home we are using agarbattis, okay, perfumes. So that means if once you will use in this room or some distance, other room person can also inhale, can know that yes, somebody is using perfume. Yes or no? Somewhere the burning short circuit, by short circuit some burning smell will come. You can easily know, no, somewhere is fire, burning smell, that you can easily get to know that. So this is how a matter can travel from one place to other place. That means it is small. It has the particle nature, and also it travels from one place to other place through this air medium. Now you can imagine this size of matter, and again weight of matter, very less. Okay, so this is how matter travels. Matter can travel, and again matter has that property of attraction, attractive property. Matter will bind another matter. Okay, it's like there is a diagram in your book that is Bihu dancers are holding their waist in a chain, like chain forming. That means that is how they have bonding. In a pen, these molecules are bonded by means of that. That's why we are telling that matters are having attractive nature. Okay, so everything in a tap of water we already doing during our childhood, we are putting the finger while the water is coming from the tap and we are trying to break that flow. Yes or no? From that also we can know that there is some kind of force of attraction between the matters and by which it will follow for the attractions towards the water molecules. Okay, so this is how you can easily say that characteristics, it can travel, it has some attractive power towards them. And one more important thing from this activity that you can easily know that they have some kind of space in between. That sugar molecules get disappeared in the water. That means water is also matter, this is also matter, this is again a matter, and the one matter is get disappeared, another matter. That means a matter consists a matter having some kind of some space at least in between them. That's why that sugar molecules get disappeared or dissolved in the water molecules. So matter has space in between. Okay, so chapter at a glance I can say that matter is nothing but which is having some space, occupying some space and having some mass or volume, that is nothing but the matter. We have gone through the several examples, and these are the activities, physical nature of matter. You have to go through the book. Those who don't have book, they can go through the PDF, and if you have any doubt, comment me or call me or ask me in group. Okay, stay safe.